Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you save passwords in Microsoft Edge, you can add an extra layer of security by requiring Windows Hello before Edge fills your saved passwords. This means Edge can ask you to verify your identity using your Windows Hello PIN, fingerprint or face recognition before it fills a saved website password. In this video, I will show you how to enable this password protection feature in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now click the triple dot menu in the upper right corner. Scroll down and select settings from the drop down menu. On the password settings page, click the passwords and autofill from the left sidebar. Then click on the Microsoft Password Manager on the right sidebar. Here click the more settings option. Now look for the option called prompt for the device sign in options before viewing or filling website password. Select it. Depending on your Edge version and Windows configuration, you may be asked to authenticate using your device credentials. For example, you can use your Windows Hello PIN, fingerprint or facial recognition if it is configured on your PC. Once this feature is chosen, Edge will require device authentication before filling saved website passwords. For example, when you visit a website where Edge has already saved your login credentials, Edge can ask you to verify your identity before automatically filling the password. This is especially useful if other people have access to your Windows. It adds another verification step before your saved passwords can be used. You just authenticate it. Here you can also choose how often Edge should ask for permission, either selecting always ask permission, or you can choose ask permission once per browsing session. Microsoft has now also changed how password protection works in recent versions of Edge. The older custom primary password feature has been retired and replaced with device-based authentication such as Windows Hello or your device sign-in credentials. If you don't see the device sign-in option in Microsoft Edge, make sure Edge is updated to the latest version and that Windows Hello or another supported Windows sign-in method is configured on your PC. To check your Windows Hello settings, open Windows Settings. Then go to Accounts and select Sign In Options. Here you can configure a Windows Hello PIN, fingerprint recognition or facial recognition depending on your hardware supported by your computer. And that's how you can protect your Microsoft Edge saved passwords using Windows Hello and the device authentication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11, Windows 10 and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.